Hi Frugal friends, this is Starla from lifewellandfrugal.com, and today we're going to be sharing with you a homemade yogurt in a cooler recipe. You will love this. It's totally inexpensive to make and it's so easy to make without having a fancy yogurt maker or even an Instant Pot. You just need a common cooler. Okay, I hope you enjoy the video. Well, now you can see that making homemade yogurt is super simple. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Please give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment below if you have any questions or even share recipes or some ideas that you use yogurt for. And also check the description box below where there will be some helpful hints and to help you out on your journey to frugal living. Thanks so much. Have a blessed day.